Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on the subscribe button. Like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at our card JPY. We've seen that there's a good amount of drop that has actually been played out, right? No doubt. So the next movement we'll be expecting next is a bullish move on CADJPY. So this week we will be expecting a bullish move. That is what I'm watching out for. But we can't rule out the fact that this prices can drop to take out this liquidity. If in case CADJPY drops to take out this liquidity, I'm going to tell you that that will be a perfect entry point to actually take a buy. This liquidity here, which is at a level of 94. If in case price can drop here, I'm seeing this as a perfect entry point to actually take a buy. So maybe if market opens, we might start seeing a bullish move on CAD JPY. By the way, we can't rule out the fact that CAD JPY is very much likely to give us one more drop to a level of 94, which I see as a perfect entry point to take a buy on CAD JPY. Then you take a buy on that CAD JPY. That is what I am watching out for. Now let me see what this forward time frame is saying. So forward time frame is still on a bearish move. So this is kind of like a correction, right, or a pullback. This is a drop that took out the previous lows. I'll see this as a correction. Now be expecting another drop that should take out these lows. That is what I'm saying. We can't rule out the fact that CAD JPY is very much likely to give us some more drop before we start, seeing that bullish move. That is what I am watching out for. Now, to those that are interested in high probability trade, especially if you're the type that are having trouble growing up your account, right? I've set up a Patreon channel, right? With just 20 USD a month, I'm going to give you high probability trade, high quality trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what I'll be giving out. So this is the trade we actually took last week. I'm also going to put a link to this trade we took last week. You can see March 13 to 17. Watch them, see that majority of us it's our profit. I'm also going to put a link to the Patreon channel. So once you sign up, you'll become my Patreon subscriber. Then I'm going to put out a probability trade for you to actually take out. Currently, there are some trade that we will be taking out this week. I've actually put it in the channel. So once you sign up, you'll get access to those trades and you trade it together.